So where are we right now?
We are day off from rehearsal in New York City, and we are continuing our quest to discover Jane Austen in New York.
Somebody just walked by. He was laughing at
Anyway, so today we thought it's a beautiful beginning of fall day, and we thought, what would Jane Austen's world be like on a day like this?
And what would Elizabeth Bennet do?
Well, obviously,
She would go for a walk.
She loved to
breathe
walk.
the air.
absolutely. So we thought, where would she do that?
Well, originally we thought, well, the park.
Central Park, that'd be obvious.
That'd be obvious. But Elizabeth Bennet was not an obvious woman.
Not at all.
She was just the most interesting person that Mr. Darcy ever met in his life.
Exactly. So we thought that Elizabeth Bennet would find even more interesting than Central Park. She might enjoy a walk along the High Line.
Ta-da! The High Line.
Converted railroad tracks through the factories of
And you want to get some of the buildings, because those buildings are pretty amazing.
Yeah, did you get the tree over there? Yay! It's beautiful gardens, walk through
It's
the
a
city.
gorgeous day. We love New York City. We know Elizabeth Bennet would too.